Piper dog? Okay, let's check out the snow. We got a bit of a snowstorm last night. Oh, that's a few inches. That's a few inches. What do they say about March? In like a lion, out like a lamb? We're going out like a lion here. Come on, little doggy, you can go out too. Oh, go ahead. Go. You're not the little one, you're the big one. Okay, come on. She was out already. She's like, I don't want to go out again. Look at that. The nice thing about a spring snowstorm is that it covers up all the icky stuff on the ground before all the greenery comes in. Yeah. They've come back to the door. They're so covered in snow. I really thought they'd stay out longer. Hi, guys. Yeah, you can go in the kitchen and melt on that floor. Yeah. Okay, the plow truck is ready. Dutch has already done some plowing. Gotta move vehicles in order to plow. Okay, I have to say I'm glad it's him and not me today. With all of the snow, I don't know if Ernie will come back, so I've got his water. I'm gonna head back to the goose pen and let him out. This is a lot of snow. I'm surprised. I mean, I'm not. Yesterday, somebody called and they were talking to me and they said, are you ready for the 12 inches of snow? I said, are we supposed to get snow? Yes. I said, well, maybe it'll miss us. The last snowstorm missed us. No, not this time. Not this time. There's no trail here. Look, it's completely covered. Completely covered. Oh, wow. Okay, hang on. Okay, here we go. Oh, I don't know if I have this at the right angle. There we go. I'm using the selfie stick this time. Don't use it very often. Okay, here are the steps. I should shovel those off. Okay, I got a shovel. Shovel's frozen. There, get away from there, Natty. There's a little ice under the snow. I think that was about 8 inches of snow. Okay, look at. Let's switch hands. It's taking me forever to walk back to the goose pen. I'm not used to the selfie stick. Let's make it shorter. Okay. See the beautiful woods? Yeah, they're beautiful. Did you just pee on the stump? Nice job, dog. It's all fresh here. I'd say that, well, there was about 8 inches on the steps. I mean, there's more there. I'm coming, buddy. Oh, there we go. You attack the shovel. Hi, buddy. get that shovel. Okay, he didn't attack me. Guess he was thirsty. Yeah. Are you gonna follow me home? The dogs are ready to pounce on each other. Okay, I gotta watch this. Oops, sorry. Oh, they're gonna run me over. Such good dogs. They love to play. Play hard? Shedding? Whoa! It's spring. They're shedding. It just looks like they're playing really hard. Oh, she's stopping to smell the fur. It's your fur, Natty. It's yours. Dogs thought they'd run off. Not good. I mean, the dogs just thought they'd go and greet Dutch, who's plowing. Not good. Come on, let's go in. Oh, I'm back in. Dutch is still out plowing, but Ernie's out. I don't think he'll come back to the house maybe later, so I'll have to take him food or somebody else will. What do I have going on today? Well, let me show you. I have this loaf of sourdough bread I'm going to put in the oven shortly. I've never made it in this pan, but we'll see how it goes. You know, the nice thing about a spring snowstorm is that the snow doesn't last for very long. Of course, it has to stop snowing first. Ooh. Get out of the way. That is a lot of snow. So he's cleaning up. He does a really good job at that. I don't. Video. I pulled the bread out of the oven. I forgot to show you guys. I was busy. I'm sorry. Anyway, I left the cover on for part of the baking time, and it made an indentation there on the top of the bread. I did cut a piece. I haven't tried it yet, but it's an odd shape. But that's all I had available. It'll taste the same no matter what. It's just kind of weird. We've got a snow update for you. It's been snowing all day. It's 7 p.m. You can see where I shoveled earlier. Oh, sorry, you're watching the dog there. The goose did not come to the house. Wow, I shoveled things off and they're all covered in snow. Well, she's back in the house. The wind is picked up. Ooh, it's kind of nasty out there. It's supposed to stop at about 2 a.m. We'll see. Wow, check this out. I just let a couple dogs out. I think the snow has really picked up tonight. Wow.